Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to update your location on Vinted, move in cities or even countries? In today's small tutorial I'm gonna basically tell you what you need to know, how to do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. But, important note first before even starting through this. Vinted does not allow frequent country changes. Your location must match your actual residence. They may also ask you to prove your identity, so you will have to update your ID card with the current location. And you also have to update maybe a selfie or two for you. All of this we're gonna talk about it later. As for now, we're gonna go to how to actually update our location. So if you are using Android, iOS, go through the store, download the Vinted app, open it, log in, and all of this. Then for me, I'm just gonna go to Vinted.com. Just gonna go through basically the website. Then I'm gonna go all the way to log in using my email address and password. Then I'm gonna go through the settings. As you see here, we have all of this information. So for my location, you have this country. Select country, then go all the way and change it to whatever you want. You can even change the city or town. It all depends on you. After this, update it, select a new address details. Then basically, if changing countries, you may also need to contact Vinted support. You might need to verify your identity again. If you are doing this often, more than once, like a day or something, they may basically suspect you for like a spam seller or maybe a spam buyer as well. We don't really know. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.